Sometimes you just can't fit everything we're seeing into a single frame, and to solve that, we turn to the panorama. Big widescreen images that stretch from one side to the other and look absolutely beautiful. They're really easy to do on a mobile phone, whether that be on an iPhone, a Galaxy, or Pixel, and there's several ways to do it as well. Let me tell you all about it on another edition of iPhone Photography 101. On the iPhone, the pano is the last choice in the camera mode menu. On Galaxy phones, it's hidden in the More section. Now, the basic gist for making a pano: put the camera into a vertical position, keep your feet firmly planted on the ground, and shift your body from left to right, panning across the landscape. Follow the arrow in the middle of the screen to keep your perspective. Instead of doing your pano from side to side, you can also try shooting it bottoms up, from the ground to the sky, for a different look. Your other option is to use different lenses for your panos. Apple offers 4 focal lengths: ultra-wide, wide, medium, and telephoto. My experience is that since we're going wide, the ultra-wide lens works best for panos. One of my all-time favorite tricks: shooting a double exposure with a pano. It's really easy to do. Just ask a friend to stand on the left and start panning. Then pause once the person is out of the shot. Ask your friend to now run around you and get to the other side. Finish your pan, end the shot, and you've got a really cool double pano. Now, it can be hit or miss, and it usually takes a few different tries to get there, but the end result is always a hoot. Have fun making panos. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check out our playlist right up there. It's of the many entries to our iPhone Photography 101 series.